So, what is CquizFunnels? It's a lead generation software that captures highly engaged leads through quizzes and assessments. CquizFunnels helps you to build viral social engagement marketing campaigns and drive more sales to any product, service, or niche. You can capture leads through a web form or their Facebook login and connect your quizzes through your favorite autoresponders. You may be wondering why use a quiz as a lead generation tool, and before we saw the results ourselves, we thought the same thing. There are three basic reasons why quizzes and assessments are the best way for lead generation. These are micro commitments, personalized value, and it's native to Facebook. With CquizFunnels, you create content that can attract an audience, engage them, and provide some level of value along with rising brand awareness. The quizzes work as lead magnets and distills them into actionable items for all of your marketing. They offer a fun and interactive way to engage your audience, turning them into customers by offering them products tailored specifically to their preferences at the end, which is an amazing way to use personalization. Let's take a look inside. Normally you would click on Create Quiz here, but for my example, I'm going to take us to a quiz that I've already prepared. Okay, so now if you clicked on Create Quiz, this page is the first one you'll see, and you'll need to decide on a quiz name, which will only be displayed to you in this software. In this example, I've named my title Six-Figure Coaching and Consulting Quiz. Next, you can add a custom image either by dragging and dropping in the image or clicking to upload from your computer. I've already done one here, and it's given you a live preview. After that, you'll be adding your quiz title, which is something that anyone who sees your quiz will obviously be able to see. I've put in a line saying, "Are you ready to become a six-figure coach and consultant?" Next, you have the ability to add a quiz description. This is some additional information that gives your quiz takers some more details about what exactly it's going to help them discover. Mine promises to evaluate your knowledge. You can go ahead and type your text in, then select the call to action that you would like to be shown on this button here by selecting the appropriate text from the drop-down right here. You can also decide if you want to enable social sharing. When you enable social sharing, this will allow your quiz takers to share the quiz on either Twitter or Facebook after completing the questions and receiving the results. You can also decide if you want to use the start page that is built in, like you see here, or if you want to have the quiz takers see the questions without a start page. On this page, you'll also select your integration and then the general segmentation that you want to use for all of your quiz takers. I've selected MailChimp from the integration and then a general segmentation from the drop-down menu. With this, you'll be able to distinguish all your quiz takers apart from the rest of your autoresponder list. You want to make sure that you create a specific list within your autoresponder so you can go ahead and link it to your quiz. You can also customize the look and feel of your quiz to match your brand. You can change the background color, the font type and font color, the call to action button color, and the button font color. Once I'm done with the configured page, I'll go ahead and select Save and Create Outcomes. This will take me to the Outcomes section of our builder. So to start creating an outcome, just select the plus button here at the top. Now you'll be able to create an outcome title. You can customize your outcome text using the builder, and you can either copy and paste in information or you can type it in. You can create headlines, bold specific text, anything you like. Oh, and you can also add a video or link specific images or text into that as well. I also have the ability to select an additional form of segmentation for my quiz. This would be an additional list or tag that quiz takers would receive based on the outcome that they reached. Once you're happy with this outcome, go ahead and select Save Outcome. You can create additional outcomes by clicking on the plus button here again and following the same steps. But once you're done, click on Save and Create Questions. Okay, so now you're in the questions portion of CquizFunnels. In this section, you'll be able to create all of your quiz questions and link them to the outcomes you created on the last page. To create your question, You can again either copy and paste or type in your question into this field. It's completely up to you. You have the ability to add either text, an image, or video questions and answers as well by clicking here what type of quiz question you need from these two buttons. Once the questions are set, you add in the answers. After this, you need to go ahead and link those answers to your outcomes so that when somebody finishes your quiz, they get the specific outcomes that you have linked. Just select the box right here and choose the number that's paired to the outcome that you want. Now select Save and Create New. Apply these steps for all the questions that you want to create. After you have created your questions and you're satisfied, go ahead and click Save and Configure Leads. This will take you into the lead configuration of the quiz builder, and here you'll have the option of either collecting your lead information or not collecting this information at all. If I want to collect this information, I can do it via two different options. I can connect via Facebook to give me the person's name and email from their Facebook profile into my autoresponder. I can customize all the additional capture text, so that would be here below the capture headline. You also have the choice of collecting this information either before or after somebody completes the quiz. You can add in your Facebook Pixel ID, which is important if you're going to be using this quiz on Facebook with advertising and you want to track how many people are actually converting from your ads. And you have the ability to allow somebody to skip this step, which you can see right here. Now, if you want to use the lead capture form, you can go ahead and do it. You can add in your capture headline, some additional capture text, choose the placement, and select the call to action that you want. You can decide if you want these people entering their first name, their last name, email address, phone number, or a combination of any of the above. When you're happy with this, click Save and Create Offer. This will take you into the upper portion of the quiz builder. Now, having an offer in your quiz is something that is completely optional. It's a way to show the perfect product for your quiz takers right after they complete it. So to add an offer, go ahead and select the outcome that you want to add the offer to. Select Enable Offer and then choose from the offer types that we have. You can do a text offer with a call to action on this text and select a call to action from the drop-down. Then add your URL here that you want them to go to, which would be your offer page. Now go ahead and click Save Offer. Now save it for that specific outcome. If you want the same product or service to be offered for all of your outcomes, you can click Save and Apply to All. You also have the option to do an image offer instead of having any text. You just have an image. Another option is to choose the image offer with a headline and a call to action. So this is a combination of the last two offers that we had. You can customize your offer headline, select your call to action that you want to use by adding your call to action URL. Once you're happy with this, you go ahead and click Save Offer and Apply to All. The additional offers that we have are the video offer and the video offers with call to action. Once you've done this for all your outcomes, click Save and click Review and Publish on this page. This will give you a preview of your quiz before it goes live. Okay, this page shows the quiz URL. Copying and pasting this link into a web browser will show you what your quiz will look like as a finished quiz before publishing. You also have the ability to grab this embed code here, which is really helpful if you want to place your quiz onto a blog post or just onto your own specific website. Once you're satisfied with your quiz, click Publish. Your quiz is now live in that link and can be used by anyone. You can now see your quiz statistics. Just go to your dashboard over here, which shows you any and all of the quizzes that you have created. You'll be able to see the date the quiz was created, how many views that quiz has received, how many leads you've gotten from your quiz, the conversion rate, which is the number of leads, how many clicked on your CTA button, and how many people have shared your quiz on social media like Twitter or Facebook. To check the stats for each quiz in depth, click on Show Data. Here you'll see things like the times taken, completion test, the average time spent, the engagement funnel chart, and activity over time chart. Okay, so that sums up a brief overview of quiz funnels. I hope you found the video very helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please let us know if you have any further questions.